4 parking attempts in my entire gameplay. 4 total in my life. Nope. Nope. Wrong way. Turn the tires. Turn those tires. Nope. Alright, go forward. You gotta turn it. Lined up. Come on. Stop. Alright. Where's my tires facing? Nope. Nope. Gotta make fix some. Nope. Nope. I just want this part turned. Very slowly. Very slowly. Come on, we can do this. Alright, now turn the wheels again. No, 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 no. Turn the wheels a little bit. A little bit. You know what? I think that's as good as I'm gonna get it. And it counts. I'm taking it. I'm totally taking it. Yeah, on the freeway. Yeah. I miss a lot of things. I'm not entirely sure. I'm gonna go long distance because I really want to do like longer ones. Which is weird. You wouldn't think I'd want to, but I do. I probably should get like eco driving though too. I'm going with long distance. That's my email. It's probably telling me I can get trucks, but I can't afford a truck. Let's see. Expires in like 2 minutes. I'm totally taking it. Oh, it's a run out. I like those. There is if you go to Steam the 1.17 beta free trial. What's that? Free trial for what? Now you got me interested. You must inform me. Okay, which way am I supposed to go? Am I supposed to go out that gate? I think this gate's closed, isn't it? Yeah, it's not a gate. Okay. Like showing me in the corner. Why do I always gotta be in the corner? I would love to own a truck in real life. They're really roomy looking. I don't know how that's how they are in real life. They look really nice in like this video game. Jealous. I had a little Honda Civic. It was a good car, good gas mileage. Probably that's why I'm gonna stick with it though. Good gas mileage. I'm not big on sports cars. I think they look ridiculous half the time when I look at them. Just like. They always try, it's like, well, it's got this many horsepower. So I'm just like, it goes up to 100 and something, or, you know, 200 and something, or whatever it is. And I'm just like, when am I going to drive at that speed? I have no way I'm, like, driving that on, like, you know, the way to work. I'm going to go 200 and something miles an hour. Yeah, there's a car there. I'll go in this direction. I think it updated right then, because this is a Steam version. So... Or do I have to, like, oh, it's a beta, that's right, I would have to opt into it. I don't know if I want to opt into it. Is there a good reason to opt into it? It's a free trial. I'm usually good with not opting into betas. Of course it would. do, do. Waiting for the light. I'm new mail. It's probably from the bank lending company. New features, but it's the same. But eventually it's not going to be in beta, so I mean, wouldn't it be better just to wait for it and get them all the bugs out and all that? I probably would think so, at least. And I'm going way too fast. I should be slow. Oh, nope. Yep, slow down. Alright, I'm going 30. It's alright. Everything's good. So do you play this game? You seem to know a lot about it. I'm gonna take it you play this game. You're saying you can't wait for the thing, so I'm assuming so. The 1.14 update. I don't even know why I said, do you play this game anymore, when I realized you were telling me you were waiting for the 1.14 update. Maybe you watch it and you're waiting for it so somebody else would play it. I don't know. Babbling to myself now. You play online with people? Is that convenient and easy to do? If you do? Somebody wanted to do a convoy or something. Just like, I don't know. I want to, but then again, I don't want to mess up people's games by messing up completely. You know what I like about this game? You can actually like turn off that little guide over there and you probably would be able to see all the little tiny things on your dashboard. I don't know where I keep trying to look for, what was it? My actual route guide on my dashboard. Because the last car had one on its dashboard. So, I'm assuming most of them have it installed somewhere. I'm just blind by the... That's so interesting. What is that? Is that my front bumper? That's different. And I missed my on-ramp. Oh, no, 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 no. We're not. Oh. No, no, no. No, 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 no. How far does this even go? There's a rest stop that direction. That would have been nice. Okay, there's a rest stop over there. Yeah, we can make a U-turn. Alright, it's okay. It's alright. We're making a U-turn. Rather not, you know, do what I did last time and try to, like, turn around on the freeway. It's alright. It's alright. Yeah, I know. Turn around. I can't do that right now. Can I cut those? That'd totally not be the legit, but you know what? It's totally not legit when I'm doing it. Hopefully you stop. Don't hit my truck. You hit it. I knew it. You don't even stop. You messed up. You rammed me. It's messed up, man. I know it was illegal, but you think they would just stop. Nope. Gotta keep driving. I would totally stop. In real life, I would stop. Oh, there's a truck turning for some strange reason. Yeah, I know it's illegal, but I would not run into it. They just want the insurance money. I think that's it, man. They're all about that insurance money. They know what I'm doing is totally not legit, and they're just like, he'll have to pay for it. Oh no. Don't hit me, please. Oh, thank you. I guess I'm gonna try and re-download that multiplayer thing. Yeah, it'd be really interesting though to do the little convoy. I'll be behind everyone else. I don't want to be near the front or in the middle or any area. I'm just gonna be in the back, following everybody else. Hopefully I pay attention, don't get lost on the road. Where'd he go? I think he made the wrong turn. Be quiet. That's what's gonna happen, I know it. Yeah, I'm sure it does. You know how I can tell when they're really close to? I get fined for it. Oh. That'd be a cool mirror though. It's actually useful in a car like this, I'm assuming too. 'Cause you really can't see down there. They're not low to the ground like, you know, a normal car. It's a truck, technically. I should be slowing down too. Next thing I know, I'm gonna get a ticket for speeding down the road here. So do you stream or do you just watch people? Eagle did mention. I heard about the American Truck Simulator. I'm thinking about getting that. Seeing as I'm in Cali, I think that would probably be more my area expertise is somewhere around where I live. At least in that area. I won't have to use the left lane or the right lane to get completely confused. I don't even know which side I'm supposed to be on anymore. Yep, I knew it. I totally knew it. It's not a one-way. It's a two-way. Really need to look into that American window. Why doesn't my car go any faster? It's like 17 up a hill. I think it must be heavy. I'm really worried about getting a load that my car can't handle when I buy my truck. Because then it just starts telling you about the weight of the weight and how many pounds and all that. And I'm just like, well, how do I know if my truck can be able to handle whatever I got attached to it? What if your truck can't handle the load and you already took it on? I guess then you have to say, sorry, my truck isn't as good as I thought it was. Are you living around in Cali too? Ever thought about streaming, by the way? I'm told it's hard and not hard. I get mixed information. Like, the reason I'm streaming right currently is usually because my family wants me to stream and they like watching me. Not my parents, mind you, just my nephews and so forth, yada yada. Sister, stuff like that. And they tell me I'm entertaining. And I like to, you know, be modest and say I don't think so. And they tell me do it, and I do it, so. That is what I'm doing. I stream them. Then they told me to start uploading them to YouTube, because sometimes they'll miss it when I stream. And so I have to upload my videos to YouTube, which has brought in a whole other fun things I have to deal with. Because sometimes I played music the first time I played this, and the little radio that it has, and then I started getting violations, so I had to delete them because I didn't want to have to deal with the violations.